Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off parental controls on Epic Games account. To turn off parental controls on Epic Games, you will need the PIN created by the parent or guardian. So if you have the PIN, you can easily turn off your parental control setting. First of all, open up a web browser to get started, and in the URL box type in store.epicgames.com. Make sure that you are logged into your Epic Games account after entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your name at the top right corner and click on Account from the pop-up. On the left hand side menu, look for the Parental Controls option and click on it. You will then be asked to enter your parental control PIN set up by your parent or guardian. Enter the PIN, correct, and click on Confirm. After you are done logging in with your PIN, you can modify or disable parental control settings as desired. Under Epic Game Payment, you will be able to see a toggle menu. If you don't want your parental control PIN to be required for purchase using Epic Game Payment service, then make sure that you toggle off this button. Soon after you toggle off the button, your child will be able to complete payments without a PIN, and that way you can easily turn off parental controls on Epic Games. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.